Look at Maxi, patiently waiting for Rusty para siya naman kumain. Never sila nag-away sa food kahit sabay sila kumakain sa isang bowl. I train them that way. Tapos after ni Rusty, hindi naman niya maubos yan. Then siya na ang kakain. See? Hindi pa tapos si Rusty. And Maxi is waiting. See? Diba? Ang galing nila. Gutom na gutom sila, oh. Diba? Sumisingit talaga siya kahit di pa tapos si Rusty. Rusty, that's enough. Save some for Maxi. Don't finish it. Don't finish everything. There. It's Maxi's turn now. Rusty, drink your water. Drink your water. Come on, Rusty. Here. Okay. You wanna go to bed now, Rusty? Kain siya. Okay, lipat ko lang yung kotse sa tapat ng room ko. And bili ng food din. So, dito yata 11:37 na ng gabi. Okay? I'll see you guys later. I'll be right back, okay? Be good boy. Huh? Here's my key. Here. I'll be back. Finish your food. I'll be back. Stay there. Stay there, Rusty. Stay there, Maxi. Stay there. I'll be right back. Stay there, I said. I'm just gonna move the car. Okay?